Have you ever wondered what mindful eating is and how it can improve your health? That's the question we're tackling today. Mindful eating is not a diet, it's not about restriction, and it's certainly not about deprivation. Rather, it's a practice, a way of life that helps us pay attention to what we eat, when we eat, and how we eat. This practice encourages us to slow down, to savor each bite, and to truly appreciate the food we consume. It's about recognizing hunger cues, understanding our cravings, and making thoughtful food choices that nourish our bodies. Mindful eating is also about understanding our relationship with food. It's about acknowledging that food is not just fuel, but it's also a source of pleasure, comfort, and at times even stress. By incorporating mindful eating into our lives, we can improve our health, enhance our well-being, and truly enjoy every meal we have. Now that we've explored what mindful eating is, let's delve into the journey of a person who adopted this practice. Meet Sarah, a busy professional who struggled with her eating habits. Life, for her, was a whirlwind of meetings, deadlines, and late-night work sessions. Food was fuel, something to be consumed quickly, with little thought. She would often find herself mindlessly munching on chips or cookies, barely tasting what she was eating. Sarah's eating habits began to affect her health and energy levels. She felt sluggish, tired, and run down. She noticed she was gaining weight, and her clothes were getting tighter. The realization hit her hard. She knew she needed to make a change. So, Sarah embarked on a journey to discover mindful eating. She started to delve into books and articles, learning about the concept of paying attention to what you eat, how you eat, and why you eat. Mindful eating, she learned, was not about dieting or restricting certain foods. It was about being present in the moment, savoring each bite, and listening to your body's hunger and fullness cues. Armed with this newfound knowledge, Sarah began to implement mindful eating into her life. She started by making small changes, like eating without distractions, taking time to chew and taste her food, and checking in with her hunger levels before and after eating. She swapped junk food with fruits, vegetables, and whole grains, but allowed herself to indulge occasionally, without guilt. Over time, Sarah noticed a shift in her relationship with food. She was no longer eating out of boredom or stress, but was eating to nourish her body. She felt more energized, her weight stabilized, and she felt more in tune with her body's needs. Sarah's journey to mindful eating wasn't easy, but she was determined to make a change. She faced challenges and setbacks, but she didn't let them deter her. She kept going, learning, and growing. And along the way, she discovered a healthier, more balanced way of eating and living. She realized that mindful eating was not just about food, but about loving and respecting her body, and that was a journey worth taking. Alongside mindful eating, regular exercise plays a crucial role in maintaining a healthy lifestyle. This isn't about running marathons or lifting weights every single day. It's about finding a physical activity that you enjoy and can do regularly. Regular exercise does wonders for the body and mind. It boosts your cardiovascular health, which means your heart and lungs become stronger and your body uses oxygen more efficiently. This leads to increased energy levels, so you feel more vibrant and active throughout the day. But the benefits don't stop there. Regular exercise also helps to elevate your mood. It triggers the release of endorphins, your body's feel-good chemicals, which can help you feel happier and more relaxed. In addition, regular exercise is a key player in weight management. It helps you burn calories, build muscle, and maintain a healthy weight. Now that we understand the importance of regular exercise, let's see how Sarah incorporated it into her life. Sarah knew that to truly improve her health, she needed to start exercising regularly. Sarah's journey to regular exercise was not a straightforward one. Like many of us, she struggled initially to incorporate physical activity into her daily routine. The idea of waking up early to jog or dedicating an hour after work to the gym seemed daunting. She was often tired, and the prospect of pushing her body even further was overwhelming. However, Sarah was determined. She knew that exercise was vital for her health and well-being, so she decided to start small. She first tried to incorporate more movement into her everyday life. Instead of taking the elevator, she took the stairs. She walked to the local market instead of driving. It was a small step, but it was a start. As time went on, Sarah started to feel better. She had more energy, and her mood improved. This motivated her to take the next step. She began incorporating low-impact exercises into her routine. Yoga and Pilates became her go-to activities. They were gentle on her body, yet they helped her build strength and flexibility. Sarah faced challenges along the way. There were days when she did not feel like exercising. There were times when she felt like she was not making progress. But she did not give up. She reminded herself of why she started this journey. She focused on the positive changes she was experiencing, and she celebrated her small victories. Eventually, exercise became a part of Sarah's daily routine. It was no longer a chore, but something she looked forward to. She enjoyed the feeling of being active, of pushing her body and seeing what it could do. She enjoyed the sense of accomplishment that came with meeting her fitness goals. Sarah's journey to regular exercise teaches us that it is not about making drastic changes overnight. It is about taking small steps, staying committed, and celebrating progress, no matter how small. Sarah's commitment to regular exercise significantly improved her health and well-being. So, what can we learn from Sarah's journey to mindful eating and regular exercise? Mindful eating and regular exercise are two fundamental elements of a healthy lifestyle. They are not just about losing or maintaining weight, but also about improving our overall well-being. From Sarah's experience, we can draw several key points. Firstly, mindful eating is about paying attention to what, when, and how we eat. It's about taking the time to enjoy our food, savoring each bite, and listening to our body's cues for hunger and fullness. It's not about deprivation or strict diet rules, but rather about making conscious, informed choices about our food. Incorporating more fruits, vegetables, and whole grains into our diet is an essential part of this process. These foods are rich in essential nutrients and fiber that our bodies need to function at their best. They can help us feel fuller for longer, curb overeating, and reduce our risk of chronic health conditions like heart disease and diabetes. Secondly, regular exercise is vital for our physical health and mental well-being. It helps us maintain a healthy weight, strengthens our heart and lungs, improves our mood, and boosts our energy levels. And it doesn't have to be strenuous or time-consuming. As Sarah showed us, even simple activities like walking, gardening, or dancing can make a big difference. It's also important to remember that everyone's journey to mindful eating and regular exercise is unique. What works for one person may not work for another. It's about finding what works best for us, listening to our bodies, and making sustainable changes that we can maintain in the long term. In conclusion, mindful eating and regular exercise are not just about looking good, but feeling good. They are about nourishing our bodies, staying active, and taking care of our health in a holistic way. And as Sarah's journey shows us, it's never too late to start. Remember, a journey to a healthier life starts with one mindful bite and one step at a time.